Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by selecting the cell where you want the result and typing equals. That opens Numbers Formula Editor immediately. Then click Other Cells or type addresses like A2 or ranges such as A2, A10 so the formula uses live references. Use functions now, type SUM, then select a range and close the parenthesis. Once done, press Return to commit the formula, and make sure to drag the fill handle to copy it across rows or columns for consistent calculations. You'll combine functions to express more advanced rules. Nest if inside SUM or use IFER around a lookup to avoid ugly errors. Understand why $2 locks a cell. Absolute references keep one reference constant when you copy formulas, while A2 shifts relatively. Use SUMIF and COUNTIF to aggregate conditionally, and average or concatenate to summarize text and numbers. Once you've built the logic, test with a few sample rows and watch how results update when source cells change. You finish by formatting output so numbers read correctly. Open the Format pane and choose number, currency, or percentage. Then name key ranges to make formulas easier to read and reuse across sheets. Make sure recalculation is working and inspect any highlighted cells or error badges that tell you what's wrong. If a formula shows an error, check types first, text versus number, and verify references. Correcting one wrong reference usually fixes the whole calculation, so start there.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.